Hello angels and welcome back to my channel. It's Ray Savvy. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be featuring two Amazon products in this video. I'm going to be doing a suction exfoliating blackhead remover as well as a cryotherapy massager. If you want to see these two products and see how I do my facials using these two products, go ahead and keep on watching. Yep, I do DIY, natural hair, mommy and me, lifestyle content. I do it all. Hello angels and welcome back to my channel. It is Ray Savvy and I'm back with another video to help you live your blessed life in the most frugal way possible. I am continuing this self-care, self-love, pamper yourself series with you all today, and we're going to be doing another facial featuring two Amazon products I recently purchased, and I want you all to go ahead and see. This routine is probably not something you're going to be doing every day, but definitely probably could do weekly. I mean, half of it you could do weekly because this is exfoliation. You don't want to over exfoliate. Let me just get right into it. I'm going to be featuring this blackhead remover product in this video. So this is labeled as a blackhead remover, but I'm going to be using it all over my face to remove any build-up or anything I have on my face after I cleanse, so it shouldn't be that much. But it comes with 6 detachable heads with different size suction. Okay, and the suction really does, I already used it, that's why it's open. The suction does adjust based on whichever attachment you use, and then it also has some settings you can change. You'll see when I get into it, but then it also comes with these extraction tools. I don't really have any pimples right now that I didn't already pick at, so I'm not going to be using these extraction tools, but it's good to know that these are there just in case you want to remove pimples or anything. I should keep this with my makeup so I can easily get to it, because just pulling this out is a job within itself. That's why I said this is more so a weekly routine. Okay, so let's just get right into it. It turns on like so. You can hear the suction going, and it shows these little 2 droppers to show that it is suctioning at the 1 level. You can go to 2, and then 3 is the highest. I'm going to be using the smallest tip hole to go ahead and do my extractions. I think it was one of the stronger options, which I might have to adjust that depending on how much it's going to be suctioning. But let me go ahead and cleanse my face, and then we'll go ahead and get into this exfoliation. To cleanse today, I'm going to be using a Dermalogica set that I got from my spa that I go to. It was just like a sampler or whatever. So I'm going to be using their pre-cleanse. I'm going to do a double cleanse today, and then going back in with the daily microfoliant cleanser. I'm just at a 1 right now, and it is, yeah, some good suction already. And like I said, this one, I think the smallest one has the strongest suction that I experienced. I think the bigger ones, I guess, if you want to just lightly exfoliate, but I think this is a good size for me. I shouldn't have too much build up as I already went in with the daily cleanser. Okay, and just like that, it's really super simple to clean this and detach it. So this is like some oil and stuff it got. But I did use this on a much dirtier face the first time I got it. And it did very well getting some of that buildup gone and exfoliating. And I could just tell, like, because I had went a while without going to get a facial, I could just tell it was a good like in-betweener. So that's just what I'm suggesting with these videos. Is this is stuff you could do at home by yourself in between getting and seeking professional, you know, services. So that is a Blackhead exfoliator, Blackhead remover. I'm going to link this vendor in the descriptions below if you want to check this out on Amazon. I believe this was like $20, less than $20 if that. Okay, so simple and very reasonable for your money. So I'm just going to go ahead and double cleanse, going back in with the daily micro exfoliant. But before I cleanse, I'm just going to add some simple just shea butter to my skin for moisture. Okay, I'm still experimenting with creams and oils that I like, so let's just keep it natural with the shea butter. And then I'm gonna go in and cleanse again. So the last part of this facial is this Cryo facial massager and headband for washing face set that I got off of Amazon. I have to link it in the description below, but like I said before, I think this was under $20 as well. But I like this because it comes with this little box, which is so cute. Okay, so the headband was right here and the actual massagers was right here. But the unfortunate thing about it is it doesn't come with like a bag or anything, and you have to keep it in the refrigerator. That's like that cryotherapy, whatever. I kind of damaged the box, don't mind that. But you could do a lifting massage, and then you can do a okay, I don't know how to say that. Your lymph node system, draining that in your face, okay? I don't know how to pronounce the word that I'm trying to say, but it's for relieving tension, just relaxing. Like I said, getting into that self-care DIY, do it at home, relax at home. Like, it smells like a whole spa in here, and I love it. So I just put the massagers, the two massagers, it comes two in the set in this dermatological bag that I had, and you have to keep it in the refrigerator so it's cold, not in the freezer. I think it might damage it, or I don't know if it's gonna work properly if you freeze them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and massage in this serum I have, this Biolume C serum, dermatological, obviously just a sample of it, but that's what I'm going to be massaging in with these massagers. So I'm going to show you all how I do that. It feels so good, like, oh my goodness. Like, you really gotta feel it to understand me on this, guys. It's just so relaxing. So even more relaxing if I was sitting down and not demonstrating. This might just put me to sleep. Like, oh gosh, feels so good. And that way your skin is all glowy and dewy with your serums. After you finish your massage, hands free. So good, guys. Let's say I needed this. Okay, and that is that. So it's pretty much gonna wrap up this mini little review facial that I have for you all. I hope you all enjoyed these products. Like I said, I'm gonna be linking them in the description below. I just always go to Amazon. Dollar Store are just my two go-tos, so that's pretty much what you're gonna be seeing in this series moving forward, because I don't like spending hours and hours in Target and Walmart, and it's just not convenient for me at this point in my life. So I hope you all enjoyed my selections. Maybe you all will check them out or check out something similar, because there's a lot of options out there. But as always, I want to thank you all for watching and supporting this channel. If you haven't taken the time to go ahead and subscribe, like, share. But as always, I pray you all continue to walk in and live your blessed life and be blessed.